Namaskar dear children. So as we are discussing chapter 2, so next topic of our chapter 2 is physical and chemical changes. There is a two type of changes in a substance, physical change and chemical change. So as it's clear about the physical change, as it's clear about the physical change, in a physical change, the substance change in a shape and size. When we are talking about the physical change, in physical change only the change shape and size of the substance. So we can take the differences between physical change and the chemical changes. In a physical change, no new substance is formed in a physical change. In a physical change only its shape and size change, and it can be reversible also. So one by one we are taking the differences, both of them. First of all, I am giving one example of this. तो स्टूडेंट, when we are taking ice from our fridge, जब हम फ्रिज से आइस लेते हैं और हम किसी उसे एक ग्लास में लेते हैं तो हम देखते हैं कि वेरी सून इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू वाटर. तो इट इज द चेंज ऑफ द फिजिकल चेंज. एंड वी पुट इन अ फ्रिज ऑल्सो. अगेन जब हम उसे फ्रिज में रखते हैं देन अगेन इट कम टू इन आइस फॉर्म. So it will change in solid to liquid and liquid to solid. So this is the physical change. So first of this, in physical change, no new substances is formed in a physical change. Second, chemical change, a new substance formed in a chemical change. So student, let's take an example of the chemical change. In a chemical change, new substance formed. We are taking example of milk convert into curd. हम देखते हैं कि जब हमें कर्ड जमाना होता है तो मिल्क का यूज करते हैं. तो मिल्क कन्वर्ट इनटू कर्ड, दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ द केमिकल चेंजेस. एंड मेल्टिंग ऑफ आइस, दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ द फिजिकल चेंजेस. सेकेंड डिफरेंस इज physical change is a temporary change. Physical change is a temporary change and the chemical change is a permanent change. Milk जब कर्ड में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, so that is the permanent change. No, again we cannot get the milk again, right? Next is physical change is easily reversible. Liquid convert into vapor, then vapor condensation through again come to a liquid, solid convert into liquid, right? And the chemical changes usually irreversible. When milk convert into curd, it is cannot again we get a milk. Next, mass of a substance does not alter in a physical change. substance का जो mass है, अगर हम हाफ ग्लास वाटर लेते हैं तो mass सेम रहेगा, mass चेंज नहीं होगा उसके अंदर, right? And the mass of a substance does alter in a chemical change. Chemical changes में mass can be changed. यहाँ पे mass can be change हो सकते हैं. And now I am taking an example of physical changes. Melting of ice, boiling of water. This is the example of the physical changes. And the chemical changes example is burning of paper and rusting of iron. We can see the rusting of iron. This is the example of chemical change. And student, we are taking a simple example. When we are rolling a roti, जब हम रोटी को रोल करते हैं तो फिजिकल चेंज होता है, उसकी शेप चेंज होती है. बट जब हम उसे पका लेते हैं आफ्टर बेकिंग, जब उसे बेक कर लेते हैं तो दैट इज द केमिकल चेंज. सो फर्स्ट physical change when we are rolling, and when we baking, it is the chemical change. So I hope you all are very clear about the difference between physical change and the chemical change. Again I repeat the all things. First of all, no new substance is formed, and a new substance is formed in a chemical change. It is the temporary, it is the permanent, easily reversible, usually irreversible. Mass of a substance does not alter in a physical change. Mass of a substance does alter in a chemical change. Melting of ice, boiling of water. An example of chemical change is burning of paper. So student, everyone note down this in your register. This is a very important difference of physical change and chemical changes. mixtures and compound. When we are mixed solid plus liquid, solid to solid, so that is it will form a mixture. And mixture and compound. So what is the difference between the mixture and compound? So first is a mixture can be separated. The mixture can be separated into its constituents by the physical process. When we are mixed to anything which can be separated by the physical process, हम physical process से mixtures को अलग कर सकते हैं. And a component, when it will form a compound, mixtures when it convert into compound, a compound cannot be separated into its constituent. जब हमने कभी किसी दो चीज को मिक्स किया है तो हम उसे अलग कर सकते हैं, बट इफ इट कन्वर्ट इनटू कंपाउंड, अगर वो कंपाउंड में कन्वर्ट हो गया है तो हम उसे सेपरेट नहीं कर सकते. वी आर नॉट एबल टू सेपरेट कंपाउंड्स और इनटू इट्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूट. सेकंड इज अ मिक्सचर शोज द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इट्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूट. जिन कॉन्स्टिट्यूट से मिलके मिक्सचर बना है वो उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज को शो करता है. इट शोज द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इट्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूट. The properties of a compound are entirely different from those of its constituent. जिन constituent को मिलके mixtures और compounds मिलके बने हैं, compound जिन constituent से मिलके बने हैं उनकी property बिल्कुल different होगी. So first of all, a mixture can be separated into its constituents by a physical process, right? Next is a compound cannot be separated into its physical process, right? And a mixture show the properties of its constituent. अगर हमने जिनको मिक्स किया है वो अपनी प्रॉपर्टीज को शो करेंगे. And the properties of a compound are entirely different from those of its constituent. This is very entirely different. Energy is usually neither given out or nor be absorbed in the preparation of a mixture. If we are making any type of mixture, solid plus solid, solid and liquid, any type of mixtures, so the energy is usually neither given, ना तो energy दी जाएगी और ना ही ली जाएगी in type of a mixture. Heat is not required for this. But in a compound, energy is usually given out or absorbed during the preparation of compound. जब हम कंपाउंड को बना रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे हमें एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड है एंड एनर्जी एब्जॉर्ब भी कर पाएंगे. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इजीली. वी आर फॉर एग्जांपल, द एग्जांपल इज आयरन फिलिंग एंड सल्फर. वी आर टेकिंग अवर एग्जांपल ऑफ आयरन फिलिंग ऑफ एंड सल्फर. व्हेन वी आर मिक्सिंग आयरन फिलिंग ऑन सल्फर, सो वी कैन मिक्स द आयरन फिलिंग ऑफ सल्फर. वी आर मेकिंग अ So students, a mixture can be separated into its constitute by the filtration, and evaporation and sublimation and the magnet. Yes, it can be separated by the filtration, evaporation, sublimation and magnet. Suppose we are adding in salt and water, so we can separate by the evaporation. We are adding soil and water, we can separate by the filtration, sublimation. Ammonium chloride adding in a salt, we can separate by the sublimation. Magnet से हम कैसे अलग करेंगे मिक्सचर्स को? So it's a very important example, that is the mixture of iron filling and sulfur. हमारे पास आयरन फिलिंग्स है एंड सल्फर है. इन्हें सेपरेट करना है. सबसे पहले हमने मिक्स कर दिया है, मिक्सचर लिया है आयरन फिलिंग एंड सल्फर. सो मैग्नेट को हम जब इनके पास ले जाएंगे तो मैग्नेट आयरन को अट्रैक्ट करता है. सो अ मैग्नेट आयरन को अट्रैक्ट करेगा एंड द मिक्सचर ऑफ आयरन फिलिंग एंड सल्फर, आयरन एंड सल्फर सेपरेट होंगे. क्लियर? बट व्हेन वी आर हीट दिस मिक्सचर, जब हम इसे हीट करेंगे आयरन सल्फर और मिक्सचर को जब हीट करेंगे हम, तो इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू कंपाउंड. It will convert into compound. The compound iron sulfide compound. What is the name of this compound? The compound name is iron sulfide compound. So after heating, it will convert. After heating, after compound is constitute change in a compound, so we cannot separate the constitute of a compound again by the any physical process. So I hope you all understood that. We are taking example of iron filling and the sulfur. When they are mixed together, iron filling and sulfur, it is form a mixture. We can separate by the magnet, and when after heating it will convert into compounds, right? So iron sulfide compound, and it cannot be separated by the magnet. So it is the main difference of the mixture and compound. After heating, mixtures can be converted into compound, and it cannot be converted, it cannot be separated out by any physical process. Okay student, I hope you all understood the difference between the mixtures and the compound, and the iron filling and sulfur. It's a very important example also. Okay students.